Your Wi-Fi adapter may sometimes vanish from your list of devices. And if the same issue is happening with your Windows 11, here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Now what you can do first is to run the network troubleshooter. Do it by going to Settings, select System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and run the network adapter troubleshooter. Next, scan for hardware changes. To do so, open the Device Manager, right-click on Network Adapters, and select Scan for hardware changes. Then go back to Wi-Fi and check if you can now select your connection. But if the issue persists, try resetting your network settings and check if the method solves the problem. And in order for you to run this command, you need to log in with an admin account. Just launch your command prompt with admin privileges and enter the following command. Then press Enter, restart your computer, and then check the results. And that's what to do if your Wi-Fi adapter is missing or keeps disappearing in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.